Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज है day 3 and we are going from Manali to Punjab and हम निकल चुके हैं. There's no jam because it's early morning. काफी शानदार से व्यू मिले हैं. Also we crossed the bridge in middle of Kullu and Manali called the Kalth Bridge, I guess, if I'm not wrong. If I'm not wrong. Yeah, so basically, this bridge is situated in the village Kalat. I don't know how to pronounce that. Sorry, guys. Okay, it's a village where many Buddhist people they actually stay there. So this bridge is literally the gateway of that village. So they also, put down the holy flag, which is called it's called the Lungta flag. Like they have four colors. So it's all over the bridge and it looks so phenomenally good. It's between the two mountains and the soft river that flows in between. Like it's so let's stop there and let's see how it actually, feels to be in that bridge. So हम रुक गए हैं यहाँ पे and yeah, this is the view, this is the entire bridge. Bro, it's so good. It's so good. You'll feel so peaceful, just sitting. Because not many tourists have reached this spot. Like it's not the midday, just the morning, so it was full empty. We also took some pictures and then moved towards our destination. Also, we're very, very, very hungry. So हम रुक रहे हैं यहाँ पे खाने के लिए वापस से same cafe, the Cat House Cafe, because we love the food, guys. That's the only reason. And Baisa, what is this? I've never, ever, ever, ever seen this hot air balloon from this close. I really want to do, but I don't know whether Shiva will agree to this. Let's see. So let's eat and then we'll see if we can do because every I think it's near to the cafe. So देखते हैं. Oh my God. This is the closest view that you guys can get. So I am basically going to ask them the price and I'm going to negotiate till the very end because I really want to do it. Let's go. But it's so interesting to see how the hot air fills up with that fire and it goes up in the sky and you can see the entire view. Oh my God, this is phenomenal. Has to be a mastermind behind this invention. Freshly, so till time I've ordered the food. I'm going to show you guys a hot air balloon. We're not going to do because we don't have time and it's also risky because obviously Raghav. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys from the nearest to the nearest. Let's go.
ਉਹ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਚਾਚੂ ਬੱਸ ਤੇ ਆਈ ਮੈਡਮ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਡਾ ਵਲੌਗ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਹੈਲੋ ਕਰੋ ਮੈਮ
Hi.
ਉਹ ਵੇਖ
तो हमने बलून वाले से यही वाला रेड वन हमने पूछा उसका बजट मेरा हमारा है ही नहीं क्योंकि हमारा प्लान नहीं है तो कैसे लगाओगे हमें तो करना है कैसे भी देन उन्होंने बोला कि आपके लिए कम लगा दूंगा बट ब्लॉग पे मत दिखाना बट हम लोगों ने सही गाइस द रेट दैट दे गिव मी एंड आई एम वेरी गुड एट बार्गेनिंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट या सो लेट्स सी इफ my other partners agree तो हम लोग करके ही जाएंगे because we don't have anything else to do right now. We just have to travel all the way back to the mandir and from there to Amritsar. So let's see अगर वो मानते हैं then I will go or else हम लोग plan. So I came back to the cafe asking her permission if she will allow us to join. But it's a no, a big no. Then drop the planning. 25 बार चेंज हो चुका है. I'm doubting if they are going to change this also,
We
but
have the limited time now, so we have to cover most of what we can because of that.
limited time का भाई 5 दिन था मैं पूरा.
So 5 years we have.
Gigi saying no 5 days, okay? It was 5 days.
Shake your body, shine like stars. Baila, baila, en el mar. Keep it going, no queda igual.
Hi guys, so हमारा last stop है. I mean last viewpoint. Can't say viewpoint. I mean
Much of the spot हम लोग तो cover कर
last spot is this Jwalaji Mandir, which we all wanted to go very badly. मैं haircut को ignore करते हुए वीडियो देखिए क्योंकि बहुत ही घटिया खाता है इनकी सिटी में. तो हम चल रहे हैं. मंदिर है ये शॉप. सब कुछ यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है. यू डोंट हैव टू
Mobile one.
Let's take you back to the story of this temple. According to Hindu mythology, this temple is one of the 51st Shakti Peeth. The story goes back to goddess Sati, who ended her life after her father insulted her husband, Lord Shiva. In the deep grief, Lord Shiva carried Sati's body and wandered the universe. To stop his sorrow from destroying the world, Lord Vishnu used his chakra to cut the body into 51 pieces. It is believed that Sati's tongue fell at this exact spot in Kangra. Her tongue. Actually, we saw the fire that comes out literally from nowhere. Like you can just see the fire coming out, but you'll not know where's the origin from, and it actually looks like the tongue of some human form. So that is the story. We took a stay, and there's another temple that we're going to visit. It just near to this temple, so we're also going to cover that and then go for Amritsar. Bye bye.